Alright, we're back. This is another leftover video for Thanksgiving stuff. Today it's going to be turkey pot pie. We got a bag of turkey bits left over. We got some mixed veggies in the can. We've got some cream of chicken, rice, pearl onions. I don't need that. And we've got some diced up rosemary and thyme. So what we're going to do is we're just going to dump all this in the pot. Get that all tore apart. Oh yeah. Good old leftovers. What do you think? All of it? Might as well. Pearl onions. You can cut them up. You can leave them whole. We kind of like them whole because we're onion freaks here. And we're going to start with about, well, most of it. Whoops. Pepper, salt, a little more pepper. Let's see. And our fresh cut up herbs. So what we're going to do, we're just going to stir all this up together. And we're going to get it heating. Get it all happy. Like I said, you can make this without the rice. You can make it, you can change it up any way you want to, but we like the texture of the rice in it. Oh yeah, it's getting good and thick too. What do you think, hon?
Oh yeah.
Does that need some more?
No, it's good. There's a little bit left.
There's a little bit left. We can maybe get that in there. There we go. And it smells really good. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw this on the stove and we're going to let it heat a little bit. And yeah, my director just pointed out we need more pepper. This takes a lot of seasoning. There we go. And we're kind of on a low sodium diet around here, so we don't overly salt the shit out of everything like most people do, but I know it needs a little bit. I'll throw a little bit more in it. Okay. All right, so I think that's good. So we're just going to heat it up a little bit, and we'll be back when we're ready to put this thing together. Okay, we got our stuff all nice and gooey and hot, and we have oiled a skillet. Just a good old cast iron skillet, and we are going to roll our dough, and I'm going to make a terrible mess here, probably. If I can get that to fit. Come on, baby. Well, it ain't exactly centered in there, but we'll make it work. Well, come on. I don't like that. Let's stretch it a little bit. There we go. Just thought enough to stretch, thank goodness. Alright, so then we dump our goodness in there just like that. Oh yeah. Oh, damn, we got a casualty. Well, you're not cooking if you ain't making a damn mess. Alright, so this is Rose's recipe. I'm gonna ask my director here if that's enough, or do I need to keep going?
That's good.
That's good? Okay, so the director says it's good. Alright, now we go for the top. I can unroll this and not make a damn mess. I should have unrolled this off camera. It's probably what the professionals do. I don't know. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in here and crimp him all up. Get him pretty sealed up. Cut a few slices in the top. And he's going in the oven. 350 for how long, honey? Well, until the top's nice and beautiful.
Yep.
Because basically everything's cooked. It's basically all I want to do is get your crust happy. All right. That don't look too awful damn bad, does it? All right, let me grab a knife. And, well, nope. Egg wash, y'all. Put some egg wash. Got to make it pretty and shit. Then we'll make some cuts. Yeah. I'm not the pie maker. Rose is.
Doing fine.
So I'm learning along with everybody else. I'm more of a cake baker and a beer drinker. Like that's got anything to do with it. But, okay. Cut a couple of slots. So she'll breathe a little bit and not explode. Make a mess.
Good.
Okay. All right, she's going in the oven, and we'll be back when this thing's done. All right, we got the pie out of the oven, and as you can see, it turned out pretty good. So we let it sit for a minute, hoping it'll firm up a little bit. I don't know if it did or not, but we'll see when we dig into this thing.
Cuts nice.
It does. Oh, and my son Nick showed up just in time to give this thing a taste test.
Always show up when there's food.
Yeah, I grilled ribs one time and he smelled it from 18 miles away and showed up. Okay. Oh, I'm tearing this all to pieces, getting it out of there, but it kind of somewhat held together. Oh, yeah. Let's pretty him up a little bit. Look at there. Nick, you do the honors. You burn your mouth.
Always do.
Big bite.
I ain't getting no.
Get a big boy bite.
Gotta get some of the crust on there.
Oh, yeah.
Everything is hot.
Yeah, you better blow it. That's hot.
Come on, man.
So what do you think? All right, my turn.
I cannot believe this is your first time doing this.
This is Rose's recipe. I'm not taking credit for it. This is her deal.
No, you done
Oh, I done it, but this is still I'm just copying what you do. Oh man.
That smoked turkey is what makes that. It has all the flavors.
But you know what? You wouldn't think that was Thanksgiving leftovers, would you?
Mm-mm.
No, that's the best chicken pot pie. And you know what? Get your rotisserie chicken if you ain't got no turkey, and make this shit. It's the bomb. All right, go ahead and tell them. Like and subscribe and all that good shit.
Oh yeah, like us and subscribe to us, and share us.
Yeah, give us a share, and we'll be back with some desserts next go around.